What's up, data people? My name is Matthew Heffron, and today's quick tutorial is on measure names and measure values. I had a colleague the other day ask me, hey, I'm trying to create this report, but when I drop profit onto the text shelf and let's grab sales, drop that on the text shelf, they're doubling up here. So I'm seeing profit and sales for bookcases, profit and sales for chairs, and really what I want to see is profit and sales as separate columns. I don't know how to do that. How do I do that? So it's really simple. There's a couple ways we can do this. So let's jump into the first method. We can grab measure names, drop that on columns. We can grab measure values and drop that on text. What this does is it will give us all our measures, and the ones that we don't want, say number of records, we can just drag off. So that's one way to do it. If we hit back, let's look at another way. We can grab profit, we can drop that on text, and an easy way is sales. Let's just double click it. And what that does is Tableau's going to generate our measure names and measure values for us. And now we're just looking at profit and sales. Third option is grab profit. We can drop it on the ABC. Then we'll grab sales and we'll hover over, drop it there, and it's going to generate that for us again, the measure names and measure values. And we can see profit and sales. Hope you enjoyed today's quick video tutorial on measure names and measure values.